Hello, welcome our gear research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best Dutch oven for bread that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Number 1, Lodge EC6D13 Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven. This porcelain enameled cast iron Dutch oven from Lodge comes in a variety of exterior colors with a cream-colored interior for excellent visibility, similar to many higher-end versions. Due to the double layer of enamel coating inside and out, this can be used for marinating, cooking, storing, and serving. In addition to the colorful enamel, the modern design gives you wider handles, which make it easier to grip when you have oven mitts on. The pot is oven safe to 500 degrees for baking or broiling and holds 6 quarts, making it one of the larger capacity Dutch ovens. Our tester found the tight-fitting lid helped retain moisture during cooking. They also gave the Lodge high marks for how well it distributed and retained heat. After cooking a pot full of chicken tagine, the Lodge pot stays hot for hours. Our tester also noted that whether you're browning chicken thighs or cooking onions with spices, any stuck-on bits loosen easily with a little bit of liquid. It can be used on any cooktop, including gas, electric, or induction, but it shouldn't be used on outdoor grills or over campfires. While hand washing is recommended, it can be washed in a dishwasher. This piece of cookware is super affordable, virtually non-stick after sufficient seasoning, and amazingly versatile. Our Lodge cast iron double Dutch oven was pre-seasoned, meaning we were able to use it right away, unlike most other Dutch ovens made of raw cast iron. Number 2, Amazon Basics Enameled Cast Iron Covered Dutch Oven. The Amazon Basics Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven is a high-quality oven that's perfect for making bread. It features a 5-quart capacity, which is enough to make a loaf of bread or 2 loaves at once. The exterior of the Dutch oven is made from enameled cast iron and comes with sturdy loop handles that are easy to grip while cooking. The interior has been coated with porcelain enamel, so your food will have an easy time baking bread or cooking anything you fancy inside this Dutch oven. Since it's made from heavy-duty materials, this enameled cast iron Dutch oven will be able to withstand years of regular use in your kitchen without showing signs of wear and tear like other less durable models would over time. This classic Dutch oven features a lid with a tight-fitting gasket seal, so you can easily retain steam throughout your baking process without worrying about losing heat through leaks around its rims, which would reduce efficiency and affect bread density. It also has vents on both sides, so they can help release excess moisture while keeping air circulating within their interiors. This helps keep food moist while reducing scorching during long periods at high temperatures, both factors that contribute towards better-tasting baked bread. The sand-colored interior enamel promotes caramelization, prevents sticking and resists stains, while the oven-safe tempered lid lets you keep an eye on your food as it cooks. It has a stainless steel knob. Long periods at high temperatures, both factors that contribute towards better-tasting baked bread. The sand-colored interior enamel promotes caramelization, prevents sticking and resists stains, while the oven-safe tempered lid lets you keep an eye on your food as it cooks. It has a stainless steel knob. Number 3, Lodge L8DD3 Cast Iron Double Dutch Oven. This raw cast iron Dutch oven comes pre-seasoned to give you a head start on getting a perfectly non-stick pot. But that's not the best part. The lid of this Dutch oven doubles as a skillet with 2 side handles, so you get 2 pots in one for an incredibly low price. You'll be able to simmer your soup in the pot and make cornbread in the skillet at the same time. Our home tester found the skillet also worked wonderfully to do double batches at once, like when browning meat. Once they did an extra round of seasoning, even cinnamon rolls came right out without leaving a crumb behind. Our lab tested the 7-quart model of this pan and found that it worked beautifully to brown chicken with crisp edges and very minimal sticking. Cooking rice also turned out great, with no sticking or hot spots detected. We also tested the durability of this model and noted that it can be used with metal utensils and stand up to fairly rough handling without any sign of damage. It's a piece that can certainly be handed down well into the future. The downside of the skillet feature is that the lid doesn't have a top handle for lifting, and our home tester noted that the handles do get very hot when in use. Raw cast iron cookware is safe for use at any oven temperature, as well as on an outdoor grill or campfire. At super high temperatures, the seasoning can burn off, but it won't hurt the cookware, you would just need to season. Number 4, Crock-Pot Artisan Round Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven. This 5-quart model by Crock-Pot performs well above its modest price point. The cast iron build gives the oven heft so it doesn't move on the stovetop and also offers even heat distribution and retention. The lid's texture gives it a self-basting feature, allowing condensation to collect and redistribute itself over whatever is cooking so it doesn't dry out. Oversized handles make it easy to grab with pot holders on, and the metal knob and Dutch oven are oven safe to 500 degrees. In our lab tests, we were able to achieve consistent and even browning with a nice crust on chicken thighs, though we did find the cooking surface to be on the small side, not a deal breaker if you're okay with browning in batches. When it came to cooking rice, it didn't stick or burn when left to simmer and steam, and all liquid was completely absorbed. It was hard to find any major flaws with this oven. Like many enameled versions, using a metal utensil may leave scratches on the inner enamel, and you'll have to be careful not to crack the outer coating with rough handling. The manufacturer highly recommends hand washing it to clean, which is pretty easy. This may just be the right Dutch oven for you, with a heavy glass lid to preserve the pleasant steam throughout the cooking process. Compared to Le Creuset, this round Dutch oven is pretty affordable. You can get to baking Dutch oven bread without breaking the bank. Take care of your cast iron pot by ensuring that you're only using non-metallic utensils so that you don't spoil its sleek interior. Number 5. Casa Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven 6QT Dutch Oven. Trying to make your sourdough bread in a regular Dutch oven with no luck? Then it's time for a change. If you're on the lookout for high-quality classic enamel-coated Dutch oven with a pristine finish, then the Casa Dutch Oven is the one for you. The sleek black interior is non-stick and works with any heat source, ensuring superior heat retention, as well as allowing you to prepare your favorite meals in style. Whether you're baking bread or plan to roast some chicken for the evening, this cast iron Dutch oven has got your back. Moreover, this brilliant Dutch oven creates spots of perspiration, ensuring that your food remains perfectly moist. Complete with wide loop handles and a stainless steel lid, it's easier to maneuver from one part of your kitchen to the other without burning your hands. It will distribute heat evenly. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.